Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare public versus private versus protected access modifiers in Java. We'll explore how each keyword controls the visibility and accessibility of classes, methods, and variables. Understanding these differences is crucial for writing robust and secure Java code. Let's dive into the specifics of each modifier and see how they impact your program's structure and behavior. The public access modifier grants the widest scope, making elements accessible from any other class or package. This is ideal for methods that form the public interface of your class, allowing other parts of your application to interact with it. While convenient, overuse of public can sometimes lead to less controlled code, so it's important to use it thoughtfully for external communication. Private members are the most restrictive, accessible only from within their own class, ensuring strong encapsulation and data hiding. Protected members offer a middle ground, accessible within the same package and by subclasses, even if those subclasses are in different packages. This is particularly useful for inheritance, allowing child classes to access specific parent class functionalities while maintaining some level of control. When deciding which modifier to use, a good practice is to start with private for maximum encapsulation, then increase visibility only when necessary. Use protected when you intend for subclasses to extend or modify behavior, and public for the essential interface of your class. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thoughtful application of these modifiers leads to well-structured and maintainable Java applications.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.